Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And it is also for Off the Board. In the month of July, we are celebrating a 1-year anniversary for this collaboration team. I will have the Mini Kit Monday ladies links listed below, along with the ladies that are participating today for Off the Board. This is the pin that I am scrap lifting using my Mini Kit Monday page kit for the month of July. So these are the products that I pre-selected and put together when I created my kit, which I created page kits within my kit. And this is based around Cartabella, Farmhouse Market, and Summer Market. So I'm going to briefly show you here some of my embellishments, not all of them, just the chipboard, and then I have that vellum piece there. Then I have that scrap paper, and then this the flower and that peachy pink is the Summer Market, and the wood grain is the Farmhouse Market. I'm going to take the wood grain piece, cut off the branding strip first. Then I'm going to gut it and leave a 1-inch edge all the way around, just like the layout that I'm scrap lifting, which is in the upper right-hand corner. So you can see that there is that polka dot, or I think it's a polka dot, I can't tell now, square that goes all the way around like a frame. And once I get done gutting this, I take a little sliver off of each sides of the wood grain. You're going to watch me do that because, as you can tell, that frame is a little bit smaller than the 12 by 12 on the outside. So you want just a little bit of that background paper peeking through. And I chose to have the flower paper be the main foundation of this layout. And that is the Summer Market. So see that? And then I use wet adhesive glue, and you can kind of see it over there in the lower right-hand corner to secure that down, and I edited it out. But I'm leaving in most of me gutting all the paper. So now this other solid color from Summer Market, I'm cutting that 10 by 10, and then I'm going to gut it, and I leave just a 1/2 inch. So you're going to watch me do that. And then the next paper, I forgot what scrap that was. It's not Cartabella, I can't remember, and it's got little flowers on it. I want to say it might be an Amy Tan, and I didn't save the branding strip on that one. And that one, I cut it 1.5 inches. And you're going to see that in a minute because I just pop it up onto the layout because I edited it out, because you got the idea of how to gut. So there's that piece of paper right there. So I cut that one 8 by 8 and then left a border of 1.5 inches. All right, now back to the layout and my photograph. The photograph was taken almost a year ago. This August, it'll be a year ago. And Becky from Mini Kit Monday, ladies, drove to South Carolina. And Traci, with the blonde gray hair, I guess. Don't get mad at me, Traci. And we are teasing her. And so anyway, I'm giving her a big old kiss on the cheek. It was just like an inside joke. But anyway, and one of the other ladies that joined us snapped that photograph, and I just thought this was really awesome. And just like when Becky hosted one of our months, I scrapped a memory from that same weekend that we all got together to scrap together and have fun and laughs and giggles and tell stories. There were about 8 of us. And then this one is focusing on Traci. All right, so from the farmhouse market, the chipboard, I got out the strip words that say delightful and charming. You see 3, but I do remove one. Then I use this puffy sticker of like the old type of cologne perfume bottles they used to be in to show off, as a decorative piece. And then I have a puffy red heart there. And then in the lower right-hand corner, which is Fran, which is next to me. So that's Fran, Dolly, Traci, and Becky going from right to left. But anyway, we have a chipboard in the lower right-hand corner of the photograph that says, "My heart is full." Then I brought in another chipboard piece that says, "Happy Day." And then this one that I'm laying down right now says, "What a wonderful world." And then I'm going to bring in some pink enamel dots. Off camera, I put my little bag that I had all my goodies in, and I created my own little tag. And it is a little bit sticky coming in and out because you see that I have that layering going on in the lower right-hand corner, but it does work. And that is where I'm going to do my journaling. It's going to be my hidden journaling spot, telling the story of this fun moment from August 2019 of us 8 ladies scrapbooking together in South Carolina. All right, and my layout will be complete. At the very end, I do not have any still shots, but I do bring back the layout that I am scrap lifting. Be sure to check everyone's channel out below in the description box and show everyone some love and keep coming back and get out those photographs and document those memories in a fun, creative way. Bye.